In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update client information in Fresha. This process is simple and straightforward, enabling you to manage your client details efficiently. Let's get started by navigating to the Fresha dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main interface of the platform, which serves as your central hub for all your business activities. On the left-hand side, you'll notice various icons. Focus your attention on the smiley icon labeled Clients. This is where you can manage and access all your client-related information. Once you've clicked on the Clients icon, take a look at the options on the left panel. You'll want to click on Client List. This section is your comprehensive directory where all your clients are displayed. It's neatly organized, making it easy to find the client you need to update. Now scroll through or search for the specific client whose information you wish to edit. When you find the client, click on their name. A pop-up window will appear, displaying the client's basic details and various action options. Here, you'll need to locate the Action button. Clicking on this will reveal a small drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled Edit Client Details. This is your gateway to updating any desired information for that client. Once you're in the Edit Client Details section, you'll find fields containing the client's existing information. Take your time to carefully update these fields with the new details. You can modify contact information, address, or any other relevant data that needs refreshing. It's essential to ensure all the information you're entering is accurate, as this will reflect the client's profile moving forward. After you've made your updates, the final step is to save your changes. You'll find the Save button prominently located at the top of the page. Click it, and just like that, your client's information is updated and stored in the system. In summary, updating client information in Fresha is designed to be a hassle-free task. By following these steps, you ensure that your client profiles remain current and accurate, facilitating better communication and service delivery. As part of maintaining efficient business operations, it's good practice to regularly review your client list for any changes that may need updating. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarification on managing your client list in Fresha, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.